Bonjour bitches, we are here in Disneyland Paris. It's so pretty. It's so cool. I love it. Pretty. And messy. K-U-I-M-O-U-S-E.
We're in New Disney Paris.
Wow. It's smoking.
I don't research this park, so I'm like, we're going in blind.
We did a little research, but not much.
We watched
so.
like one video.
So we could be like somewhat surprised. Half knowing what we're doing, half no. Oh, Main Street, Main Street. Oh my god, the ghosts. Look at these little ghosts. They kind of look like sperms. Lucy! Wait, this is so cute. Oh, gazebo. They're gazebos.
They're gazebos!
Wait, that's cute too, the little ghost. Mi telefono. Ooh, the castle. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Cute. Wait, look at Maleficent spin. Oh my god, spin. Yes, work. We're trying to go to Thunder. Look at all the area. Ooh. Starting with Thunder. When in Tokyo we started with Thunder. We just keep starting with Thunder Mountain. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. They have like a little thing right here. Hold up, what's up? You see this? They have this. So you can't slide to me anymore. So that was the best Thunder. It's fucking loud though. But like the darkness faster. I like how it's in its own island, you know? Bye, love you. What would you rank it? 10 out of 10. Alright, breakfast. So hard to order. It's giving me so much anxiety. I got two, what was it? Cafe Ola. Coffee Ola? No, she said latte. And then I said, what is it? Pan un chocolat. And I said, and a beignet. I'm scared. If it's not hot on my fingers, not even any chocolate. It's just like a body. It's supposed to be a beignet. The picture had sugar. Oh my god. Good. A little bitter. Ooh, but it's like creamer. We're in the microwave.
In the microwave.
I can't see shit. Okay, we're going to the store in Tomorrowland. Oh my god, look at the little stitch. I know. The ears. Okay, okay, Tomorrowland. Construction. Is this supposed to be Buzz?
Yeah. Yeah.
It gives more cyberpunk vibes. I like these rocks. Ooh, the trash. Whoa, I just stopped recording, but it goes up like that.
I think it's 45.
I said the wait time was 45. It's like 28 minutes, and we're like outside. We're like almost there. I like how it's blue. Look at the coaster. They go all the way up there. What the? Okay, my hair got stuck during the ride. The person before me, her hair got stuck. But oh my god, I knew it was more intense, but I didn't realize it was that more intense. It made regular Space Mountain look lame. Oh, where's our picture? Where are we?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yeah, even like before the... I was like, wait, why is this fun? Before we even...
That was stopped 40.
What's my timer? I forgot to stop it. It's at 37. See, that's why we just go on it. Okay, okay. This way.
This way.
This way.
This way.
Way.
No one would only do that one unless you were on the DVD.
Oh yeah, the DVD.
Because that's where the chapter started and we'd
This
always...
way. I just watched that too on the plane. That's so weird. What are the chances? It's so cute. The store. Bathroom. You want a souvenir? What is it? They're really determined. Look at their horses. Why is it so like bougie? They fancy. Okay, the other went. Where are we? We're trying to look for ears. Okay, we can't find the ears I want. See, I need ears. It's missing something. What's the same ears over and over again? The architecture's pretty. The greenery, the water. Oh, the freaking cars is out here. Wait, there's ducks. French ducks. French ducks, oui oui, baguette. Wait, there's a Max meet and greet, and also Pinocchio and Geppetto. So many meet and greets. There was a Stitch one earlier. What is that? Donald, Stitch. I have too much anxiety to be talking to them, especially if they don't talk. Ooh. Look at the school bus. Oh my god, leprechauns. See the dragon? There's so much to look at. Oh my gosh.
She's just holding on by her feet.
Gee, she's gonna fall. They don't shake that much though here.
We're even in sync. Get it together.
Hello, come on. 1, 7, 6, 8, 7, 6. America, I guess. Hollywood. San Francisco and Hollywood right next together. And the Statue of Liberty. Football. Not the football. I like how it's purple. Like, look how cute the boots are. Cute. Oh, it's called Curious Labyrinth. I kept saying Pan's Labyrinth. Alright, alright, alright. Which way should we go? This way?
That's why.
This way.
Oh my gosh, that's my back. Okay, I guess there's a caterpillar, there's a kid. There's a caterpillar. Smoking, what's he smoking? What you smoking though? Hey yo, can I get a hit? Can I get a hit of that? Wait, this is cute. Cute. That's cool. Cute, 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 cute. What the hell? Cute, cute, cute. Ooh, cute construction. We're eating here, but looks like it's the ride. Pretty cute, pretty cute. This way.
This way.
This is more like it. This is what I'm talking about. I need more of this. Why isn't this everywhere? I had to order in person. Yeah, this is way bigger than I thought. I could have got kids meal.
Look, here's the picture. It looks so small.
Look at, Jesus. Well, we don't have ice. It's bigger than my face. Pretty good though. What the heck? What is this?
Foot.
What is that?
His foot.
It's hot. Cupcake. Spicy. It tastes like it's watered down. Who is this? Donald Duck. Oh, this one's Mickey. And look at us. Front row, baby. Look at front. Front row, baby. Front row. Look how fast it's going. I know, look at all the boats. Pirates. It's so dark in here, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's dark. It's dark. Let's go, front row, baby. Is that supposed to be the Blue Bayou equivalent? It's so dark. Okay, this is like ours. Same, but different.
Que c'est colifichet, un véritable trésor.
That's the same, that's different.
Oh, la piraterie et ses nombreuses et précieuses récompenses.
He's flirting. Yes. Go, Philip, go. Oh, hell yeah. me. This cute. Ooh, down. Look at it. Look at the architecture.
There's a mini
Wait, I didn't
there
even
too.
realize Mickey and Minnie Woolies are right there. This is the part of the story. She goes, Aurora, dunk. Aurora, dunk. That's a lot of feet content, Disney. It looks like I'm spinning it, doesn't it? Ha ha ha, joke's on you. I'm not. It's doing it by itself. Prince Philip. It's a water fountain. Yes. The outside is so pretty. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hear me. Hello, New York! Oh, you can see Small World from here. Alright, here's another place. Oh, this is the one. Oh my god, look at her. They look scary. Like, so ugly. This is so cute. Music box. Wait, this reminds me of like the one I used to have. Remember my Cinderella one? She flies. She's wrapped in plastic. She's gonna suffocate. Wait, there's a bridge. Wait, oh my gosh. The little bridge. It's so cute. Cute. Love it. It's giving Norman Bates Psycho house. Vibe. Wait, look at their fits though. Look at their fits. Oh yeah, we are moving.
This chamber
Oh my god, his
has
balls are gonna get chopped off.
if anyone is chilling, find a way out.
Oh, we found a way out. Ooh.
Presence is wanted at this ghostly ball.
Why was I expecting a gingerbread house right now? Oh, wait, that part's Oh, she's scary. Give me pizza. Pizza. Look how cute this is. Such a vibe. It's 8:10. It's pretty vibey. Little bridge. There's my sister. I love how there's a lot of seating and these little booths. Like, look at this pizza. It's so cute. A cheese pizza. We're also gonna split it. Let's see if it tastes better than Disneyland pizza. What do you think? It's not bad. It tastes a little bit better, but not that much better.
Why are you eating like that?
Okay, some more. 6 out of 10. Ooh, let's try it with a chili oil. Why is there chili oil? Chili oil by it. I don't even taste anything. A little more. I don't taste anything. Round 2 of Phantom Manor. It's so empty and no one's here. Round, how do you say it in French? Round 2. It's funny how they don't try to hide that elevator door. It's straight up lit up. Where'd their wives go? Wait, is that the same woman? She's so scary. I love it. Part 2, Space Mountain. We're doing Space Mountain again because it's probably the best one. Ooh, the lighting from the blue. Okay. Like my other one. My hair looks like trash every time I ride space. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll maybe come again another time because we didn't do everything or the other park. Bye. Bye.
I've been looking for this all fucking day. All the damn stores, everywhere. Literally, it's over here. Look, you can see all these things in every other store. But this one, what the fuck? It's already that midnight.
This is literally like the last store. Like the exit's like right there.
Do I want to get it? Or is it too late?